it's so easy now to book Teams meetings or Zoom, and well, that was really affected during lockdown period. It's now, I think there's times where you lose that face-to-face because it's easy. Let's just have a Zoom call, let's have a Teams call. And so where maybe pre-COVID, you would have written off a day to go to do like a 3-hour round trip to go and see someone. I think it's getting better, but I think there's still that reluctance to do that, and so you just don't get that value without meeting people.
Yeah, I think it still values a lot because first of all, you kind of can answer all the questions and quicker get all the details than to exchange multiple emails. Sometimes I see that you have a perception. If you receive an email, you just judge the company by the size, by the presentation quality, by the location, even sometimes, many perceptions. But face-to-face can really help you to evaluate properly. And I don't want to mention anything, but I had a really good case when I really had a perception, and after face-to-face, I completely changed my mind and believed in that company. So.